Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a new series on Python. So here we will be covering the Python basics and then we will move on to advanced topics, and also we will see the various libraries and how to use them in our subsequent videos. Let's start with the Python fundamentals, how Python is different from other programming languages. So most of the languages we have used, maybe you have used C, C++, Java. These all are compiled languages, and Python is not a compiled level language. It is a interpreted language. It means that you can run the code directly from the source code itself. You need not compile it to some bytecode as in Java. You can directly run your source code. The second feature of Python is the dynamically typed language. It means that you need not define the data types of variables, return types, or method arguments. And all these data type handling is done internally by the interpreter. Third feature is to keep Python syntax readable and Python code readable. They have made indentation as a requirement, and the blocks can be identified from the indentation. You can use 4 spaces indentation or 8 space indentation. We will see in our next video how to do indentation in our code and how the blocks or the line terminators will be identified. So first and foremost thing, to start with Python, you need to install Python interpreter in your machine. So I have already installed Python interpreter in my machine, and it can be checked using Python version command. So in my machine, Python 3.5.0 is installed. You can install the Python interpreter for your machine, whether you are using Linux or Mac or Windows. You can directly download and install it in your computer. Now let's see our Hello World program. So I have already written a source file, and inside that how to print Hello World statement. So let's go to that. So writing hello world is quite simple in Python as compared to other languages. You only need to type this print method and inside whatever you want to print. So it is quite simple. I have written one hello world.py file, and this will, when I will run this code, it will print hello world. So in maybe in Java you need class definition, method definition, but here that is not required. You can uh, write a script hello world.py, and inside that you can do this. So let's see how to run this. So you can type Python and your file name, which is hello world.py. So here you see that hello world is printed out to the screen or console. So it is quite simple, but if you see, you may have noticed that it is not very reusable, but in coding practices it is the emphasis is on to write more reusable components. So let's see how we will write those. So I have written another program where I will define a method, and that method you can use to call it. I will open that method, and the file name is hellofunc.py, and inside that you can see that I have defined one method. I will in next videos or in the future videos I will cover how to define methods and various nuances related to methods, but as of now you can simply you can take it like you have to write this keyword def and then your method name and any parameters that you are going to use, and inside that, so here you can see that I have provided for space indentation just to tell interpreter that this comes under the method definition. So here I have used the same print method, and inside that I am concatenating hello with the whatever argument I have provided. So here also you can see that I am not providing any data type. I can pass string or int or anything to this method and it will work. But then here I need to, if I am passing int, here I need to convert it into string. And below this, this is just to run the above code. So anytime I am running this hellofunc.py file, uh, a new attribute, internal attribute underscore underscore name underscore underscore is defined as this value, and it is just an entry point how this code will be run, and inside I'm calling hello method with the word as argument. The other ways could be you can import this file into another code and you can then call the hello method. So we will see how we can import modules or packages in our future videos. So here let's see how to run the above code. So here I will type Python and then my file name hellofunc.py, and here you can see that hello world is printed to the console. So I have passed word as the argument, and here these are concatenated. So here we have seen two examples of hello world program. The first one is using a simple statement, and second we have defined one method. So I guess that's all for today, and in our future episodes we will dig deeper into methods or other details about Python. Thank you very much for watching. If any suggestions or comments, please provide. Thank you.